Good morning, guys. It is a great day to be in room 625. It is. I wish you guys were here with me today. Hopefully you guys are having or enjoyed your spring break and looking forward to your first day of e-learning. Day one for us, we are studying something brand new. We've talked about it a lot. I mentioned it. Today we are graphing parabolas or graphing quadratic equations. Today we're focused on y equals ax squared plus c. So let's start off with some definitions. Very first thing I want to talk about is we'll call it a quadratic function. A quadratic function is a nonlinear function, so no more lines, that can be written in the center form of y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Today we are going to focus on simply y equals ax squared plus c. And what that means is, if you notice right here, this parabola, this U-shaped graph, has a axis of symmetry of the y-axis. It's exactly split in half by that. And everything today, we will have that exact same shape. As we move forward, as we progress throughout the week, we will have other graphs that might be to the left or to the right of that y-axis. But today, everything's be symmetrical to the y-axis. It might go up, it might go down, but always symmetrical upon that y-axis. Every quadratic function that has a U-shaped graph is called a parabola. That's the more common name that we use, a parabola. The most basic quadratic function in the family of quadratic functions is called the parent quadratic function. Parent quadratic function. And it is y equals x squared, which is this right here. We can use that parent function to compare our future graphs that we will learn to that one described. Hey, is it translated to the left? Is it translated to the right? Up, down? Is it flatter? Is it more steep? Why is it more flat? Why is it more steep? But the y equals x squared is our parent quadratic function. The lowest point or the highest point on a parabola is called the vertex. When we have a highest point, so if I have a graph if I draw a very simple graph and it looks like here, it's like a sad face and upside down U, that has a maximum point because it tops off at a highest point. The other one, if I have a happy face or an upward facing U, it would have a lowest point. We call that would have a minimum